Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix lost connection to game server in Overwatch 2. So let's get started our video, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end. So first of all, you have to just click on your network and then click on the network and internet settings, and now you have to scroll down and click on the network and the sharing center option here. You can also open this option by using your control panel. So after that, you have to just click on your internet option here like this. When you click on it, you will find such type of the pop-up. You have to click on the properties option here and then select this option here, and now you have to enable this, and here you have to put the IP address 8888 and then again 8844. After this, you have to press OK and then close this window and launch the game again, and now your problem will be resolved. If not, you can leave a comment below. I will help you. So give a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.